Hello friends, Philately of India of the year 2015. A selection from our collection. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Groom the daughter, educate the daughter. The Martyrs' Day. On this day, 3 stamps were published to promote the mission Clean India, Swachh Bharat. The Department of Post organized an all India competition on this theme. The depiction on the 3 stamps is derived from the entries shortlisted. Project Rukmini. It is a joint project between Indian Navy and Indian Space Research Organization. The project began with launch of satellite GSAT-7. The project will help the Navy to keep vigilant eye over both Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Engineers India Limited, a prestigious public listed company of Government of India. It has an impressive record of executing over 5,000 assignments. EIL has a sophisticated research and development center at Gurgaon, Haryana. The 2 stamps commemorate 50 years of space cooperation between India and France. On December 2014, United Nations approved that 21st of June every year will be celebrated as International Day of Yoga. The stamp commemorates the day. Samrat Ashok. Ashok the Emperor. He ruled over the vast empire of Maurya dynasty from 273 BCE to 232 BCE. The edicts of Ashok are to be found scattered in more than 30 places throughout India, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Most of these edicts are written in Brahmi script. A special style and category of his edicts is Ashokan pillar, that is Ashoka Stambha. Few pillars that survive today are widely recognized as masterpieces of Indian art. The valor and sacrifice of the 1965 war. The war was against Pakistan and the enemy was kept at the bay by our armed forces. The 3 stamps are to salute the Indian soldier, the Indian sailor and the Indian air warrior. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Amongst many contributions, we mention a few. He has contributed towards development of satellite launch vehicle, that is SLV-3, development of polar satellite launch vehicle, that is PSLV, development of integrated guided missiles. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007. Kalam passed away while delivering a lecture on creating a livable planet Earth to the students at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong on 27th July 2015. The torchbearer died in his shoes. Third India-Africa Forum Summit. 6 stamps are issued. They put in juxtaposition the wildlife of Africa and that of India. India-Singapore Joint Issue. The Zoological Survey of India was established on 1st of July 1916. Its functioning continues and contributes till this date. The 2 stamps depict the diversity and richness of Indian flora and fauna. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. Like, share and subscribe.